Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change the font size in your Gmail inbox, right? So once you're inside your Gmail, guys, and let's say you're going to compose an email, right? And you start writing this email, yada yada yada, right? There's two ways how you can go about changing the font size, right? And I'm going to show you the first one. So let's say you're inside you're about to compose an email. The first way how you can easily do that, guys, is by simply clicking on the formatting option here. From here, you'll get a next pop-up and it will show you like these two T's, and this will signify your font size or your font size control. You can tap on that and you can easily go ahead and you can set it to small, normal, large, or even huge. So let's try huge and start to type. You realize that it starts to type in a huge font, right? So however, if you go ahead and you close out of that and you try to compose another email, you will realize that it goes back to the normal size, as you can see here. But if you want to set this for a more permanent, that whenever you go back to type email, you don't have to change this all the time, you have to do it from within the settings. So in order to do that, guys, just simply click on the gear on the upper right hand side where you have settings, click on see all settings there, and you want to scroll all the way down or just a little bit to where you have default text style. Now you will have the two T's which signify the size. You can click the little drop down arrow right beside it and you can select, let's say for example, large. Now once you select that, scroll all the way down to the bottom and simply go ahead and click on save changes. And once you go back to composing a new email and start to type, you will see that you have it in a larger font from now on. And that's how you can easily do it, guys.